Let's draw Monkey D. Luffy in my style. I am drawing the wanted poster of him. First the pencil work. By the way, which one do you like more, the animated series or the cameo one? Let's paint. Baby pink color is my favorite. Not really, huh? We are done. Here's the results, or maybe not. Tadaya. How much will you rate T out of 999? Write your ratings in the comments section. What should I draw next?